Okay, everybody, I just want to take a little bit a minute and show you how you do this. This is so simple. It's unbelievable. I'm going to show you how to just create an envelope with a card. Now I'm going to show it with a PNG, and I'm going to put these PNGs in the files on Playbook and in the WoW, but I'm going to show you how this works. All you do is you just start a new project and you come to this page, and then what you want to do is just go down here, create cards, and you're going to find these new envelope design stuff here. So I'm going to just take this particular um, card. Now you got flat cards over here. These are just a regular greeting card. So I'm not going to use a template. Where you can do, all you do is if you take a template, you can actually pull it in from any of the templates right here, and these are already done. They're free. You can just load up your stuff and go for it. But I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and I'm going to start from scratch. Now I already have my templates that I'm going to be using loaded into my account. So I'm just going to start right here. And when I start, this comes up. So this is the front of my card. So I've already got some images already uploaded. So I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to pick my family photo here. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some stuff here. So I'm going to add two boxes, two text boxes. I'm going to put one right up here, and I'm going to add another one and put it down here. Just real simple. I'm going to change the font to the font that I want. I like, I'm going to do a little design, a little nicer font. So I'm going to go, let me see if I can find one down here. I had one this morning. Let me see if I can see it. I might not be able to find it. No, I can't. So let me go up here again. I'll just find one that I really like. So right here. So I like this font. So I'm going to make it a little bigger. I'm going to do like about that big. Oops, that's a little too big. I'm going to go, that one's going to be about 36. And I'm going to create it right here. I'm going to have it so it kind of is centered in the middle of the card. I can adjust this a little bit if I want to move it over. It's pretty good where I want that. And so I'm going to go here, pull it up just a hair, make it a little smaller, maybe 28, and I'm going to put on here from our family to yours. Okay, and I'm going to change the color on that to be a light red, and I'm going to bold it. I'm going to add some green around it so that it has some, so it kind of stands out. I've learned that if you can just do that, so it stands out there. So there it stands out there, and then up here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to that font, the Alex brush. I'm going to make this one a lot bigger. I'm going to do this one about 48, and I'm going to put it right up the close there, and then I'm going to grab the color that I want, and I'm going to grab the border I want on it, and I'm going to type in what I want to say, Merry Christmas, and there. So now I've got my card done. That's my greetings that I'm going to anybody I want to send it to. And so I've got that done. Now I'm going to go over, now I can do the inside, whatever I want to do on the inside. Then I can put whatever I want on the back. And on this one, I'm going to show you now how to do the envelope. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, I'm just going to go down here to layout, and I'm going to put a layout in there so I can just load a picture in. So now I'm going to go up to my pictures, and I'm going to add my family's photo in there, right? And I want to add this to it. Now this is a template, like I say, I'm going to have it in there. I want to add that over the top. So what I do is I go and grab image here. And now I don't if I have the image already and I put anything, it's going to change it. So I'm going to size it so it just bleeds over the that image. Now I'm just going to grab that, and so there, now I have my image. So now I can add a couple of text boxes if I want to. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to add a text box here, and I'm going to just right above the where I've got this torn paper, I'm going to use a handwriting font that I like to use. Let's say I use this handwriting font here. I'm gonna merge field here on the front of the envelope, and I'm gonna put first name, and then I'm gonna put and then I'm gonna do spouse name. You put significant other, whatever that is, in the spouse. If it's a couple that's not married or has a partner, you can just put in here. Spouse works the same as a merge field if you just put their name in there. Okay, and then I'm going to take that text box and I'm going to copy it here. I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to put another one down here. And now on this one, what I'm going to do, let me see, make sure that I've got it centered. I'm going to say something like this. This is how I did earlier. I'm going to put you're going to have to open, and then I'm going to go and space it to see our greetings. Okay, now I can make that a little bit bigger if I want to. I can maybe make it 24. It's a little too big. I'm going to go ahead and stick to about 18, and then I'm going to bring this up a little bit so it's more centered, and there we go. And I'm going to change the color to green, and I'm going to center this just a hair a little bit better there, and then the same thing here. I'm going to do this 18. I'm going to make it a little wider so that it's all on one space, and I'm going to also change the color to that to green. Boom, there, I'm done. I think I want these both a little smaller, so I'm going to go more of a 16 size, and I am going to bold it. I'm actually going to go 14. It looks like it there. That's what I'm going to do there, and I'm going to center that so it's more over like that. And then the same thing here. I'm going to change this to a 14, and there I go. I'm going to center it like that. I'm going to bold it, and now, ta-da, all I'm going to do is save it, and now I can preview it, and I can see what it's going to look like. There we go. That's the front. That's the inside. Obviously, I don't have anything there. You can put whatever you want. Now, this is what the envelope's going to look. So when they open the envelope, they're going to see the rest of the card. So that's how you do a picture photo card with an envelope. And you can use any of these designs. You can find all sorts of different ones you can create your own stuff on the card. I love this stuff. So there you go. There you have it. Have a Merry Christmas.